Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Brawl Stars on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Brawl Stars and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Brawl Stars listed, usually at the top. Tap on the Brawl Stars app to open its app details. On the app details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. Now the app will begin downloading. Once the download is finished, you can open Brawl Stars directly from the App Store by tapping Open. Or you can find the app on your home screen and tap on it there. And this is how you can download Brawl Stars on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.